Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlo Ayinde, one of the economic developers within the Kringle community. On this wonderful day, I'll be talking on play, just play. Play, just play. There is a quote ascribed to John Barrymore. He said, even the tortoise does not make progress until it sticks out its neck. You need to get out of your comfort zone. Yes, when you take a move, the river will part ways. Many just remain on the same spot, thinking things will happen. It doesn't just happen. Join them and play. For the fear of losing, many won't take part in the game. And in so doing, they think they can play safe. No, they are satisfied with watching others take the risk and win the game while they remain on the side as spectators in this game called life. Don't join them. Join the field and play. Just play. Most dreams die as dreams, not for the lack of skills or other resources, but for the lack of courage of the dreamer to play out their dreams. It is far better to play and lose. It is far better to play and lose than not to play at all. Because even when you lose, you at least know what won't work. So play, just play. If you can't risk, if you can't take a risk, losing, you can't win. If you can't take a risk losing, you can't win. Because losing is part of the winning in this life, in this game called life. Even the law of lottery requires that you take some dimes to win a jackpot. Do your homework, make your plans, but stick out your neck and play. Launch out as if it is impossible to lose. Winners take risk. Before you play the game, examine the game, look at the game, know the pros and the cons. Then go ahead, just play. To be truly alive, you must taste the sweet of success, as well as the kiss, the dust of defeat. When you win, take it in a good stride and move ahead. When you lose, learn the lessons that are there to learn and try again. Winners don't quit, they just keep playing. So play, just play. Play, just play. This is the church for us this morning. Don't just sit down, join the game. Yes, join the game. Play the game. Join the game. Thank you very much. You are welcome. I wish you a success in life. I wish you all the best. And don't forget, if you are yet to be a member of the Kringle community, you are highly welcome. Come on board, join us, and let us make this world a better place. Give your life a sense of abundance. Come, join us and enjoy the abundance. Well, there is a link below this video. Click on that link, subscribe to it, contact me through my phone, through my number, and I will guide you along. It is well. Looking forward to see you. Like and subscribe.